What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rough, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. So as most of you have experienced and heard and felt the effects of, BitConnect has closed their lending program and is closing their exchange program. I'm sorry to everyone who lost money, which is everyone at this point. Basically, if you're just now hearing this, the site BitConnect, which I was invested in a little bit, they reimbursed everyone's loans, which is nice, and it shows that they weren't a scam. At least it shows me personally that they weren't a scam. It shows my capital they released, my total earned. I earned pretty much everything from lending profit. The 35 you see in affiliate bonus is from a really good friend of mine that I know personally, nothing from YouTube. I wasn't a promoter for BitConnect, but I'm still sad to see it go because I had high hopes for it. And you know, their main reasons were all the bad news coming out, distrust in the community coming out, and then all these DDoS attacks that were happening. Now, there's rumors going around that there were a group of hired hackers by bigwig banks and stuff that were spamming BitConnect and other things. There's rumors that there were no DDoS attacks at all. I don't know the truth to that, but in light of all this, in light of losing money, I'm going to remain positive. You know, they did cash us out into BitConnect coin. The site was so flooded yesterday, there was no way for me to log on and move this anyway when the coin still had some value. On most exchanges, the coin is now valued at like $5 a coin. So my $2,600 worth of BitConnect coin is now worth about $35, $40. So that's, you know, disheartening for a lot of people to see that go on. Now, there's rumors going around that if you hold it in here, BitConnect will reimburse you somehow, or they're going to open up their exchange and allow you to sell it at a higher price here, unlike other exchanges like BTC or Coin Exchange. I don't know. None of that's guaranteed, but I do know I'm living by my rule. Yesterday's video, before I knew anything about BitConnect happening, I said, you know, tattoo HODL on your forehead and just hold your coins when times are tough. And times are tough today. The market's way down. If we look at the market, I mean, look at that. Bitcoin's down. I mean, everything's down across the board. Lower. There's FUD coming out from China. There's FUD coming out from Korea. But when times are tough, HODL. And I'm going to listen to my own word here. And sometimes I'm glad that I'm bound by my word, because I force myself to listen to things that are easy to say when you're making money, are easy to say when coins are going up. It's easy to say I'm holding my Bitcoin when we see Bitcoin jumping up 1,000 each month. It's easy to hold BitConnect coin when we saw the price going up and we saw its use. But what do you do in times where it's tough? You know, Tron. I bought a bunch of Tron. It's now worth less than what I bought it for. I have LITECOIN that's worth less than what I bought it for. Am I selling all these? Panic selling? No. If I sell, it'll be when I want to sell, when I feel the time is right to sell, whether that is with a gain or with a loss. So I'm not one to panic sell. I'm not one to listen to all the panic talk and react without thinking. The reason why the price of BitConnect coin is down so low today is because pretty much the general public went to the markets and panic sold all their coins to get what they could get without listening to reason, without listening to the fact that there could be a plan. And now there's a little bit of hope that something could happen, but still, I don't know if this is going to go up. All I know is BitConnect said they're still going to be around. They're still releasing their BitConnect X exchange where BitConnect coin will be traded. In maybe a few months, the price will be back up. Will it be up over $400 again per coin? Will I get what I got paid out at, $363 a coin? I don't know, but I know that the coin will probably be worth more than $5. So my plan is to hold for the time being. I'm sorry to everyone who lost money. You know, it's never fun to lose money, but this is why I've always said don't invest more than you're willing to lose, because none of this is guaranteed. BitConnect was a gift. A lot of people made a lot of money and profited a lot from it. I have friends who are in the plus because they profited from BitConnect and they were able to diversify. So it's not all a loss. It was good to a lot of people. It's just the people that got into it later on suffered the most from it. So I don't want to take too much time and talk about BitConnect, but just decided to say something that what my plan is to hold these coins and see if anything comes from it. So this will probably be my last BitConnect video for a while, unless something happens and there's some activity. So that's my take on the whole thing. I'm holding, I'm not panic selling. But something I was really encouraged today, most of you guys know DAVORCOIN. I've been investing in here, and it's a lending platform as well, and I was really impressed by their staff today because of an email they sent out early this morning. So I didn't want to show my personal email, so I copied and pasted the email email, on a text document. So dear Crypto Rough, in recent news in regards to the lending industry, BitConnect has stopped both its lending program and exchange platform. This movement won't affect Devor. We continue to operate and to delight our users as normal. Many people from other platforms, including BitConnect users, are going to join us in the following days. Our community will grow faster, which means the price of DAV will increase, and all of you already invested in the platform will benefit from it. If you see some sell-offs in the market right now, which causes the price to drop, there's nothing to fear. When the cryptocurrency market is flooded with bad news, some investors are scared and try to sell their crypto assets as soon as possible. On the contrary, smart investors stay calm and do not panic sell. They are real winners in the end. We will keep offering you the best interest rates in the market, and our tech team will keep working hard to make our platform reliable and bug-free. Recently, we have faced the same attack on our system as BitConnect has experienced. They have been shut down for almost 2 days and did not really come through it. Well, our tech team did recover the platform within several hours. While there is no definitive solution for huge DDoS attacks, they try their best to mitigate them and to keep your data perfectly sound and safe. Please spread the good word about Devor. Altogether, we will make our community great. Yours sincerely, the Devor.io team. So I thought that was really kind of their team to send out. It wasn't necessary for them to send that out. There wasn't any FUD going on with the Devor platform, but it was nice, and I thought it was kind to those who lost money on BitConnect, saying basically, we want to be a beacon of hope in the dark. So how long DAVORCOIN will be around, if what happened to BitConnect will happen to DAVORCOIN, we don't know. I know that for the time being, I'm going to continue to invest in it. I'm happy with their interest rates, and I'm happy with how transparent they've been with their attitude, with their game plan, and with what they're doing. They had a very successful ICO. The price of their coin has been well up over $140 down today, as with the rest of the market. Currently holding a little bit of their coin. My goal is to get some coins here, to stake them, to lend them, and to continue earning profits. So when something happens on one site that doesn't work out, I'm not one to get scared and back off and quit cryptocurrency altogether. I believe cryptocurrency has a lot to do with the future of the financial world, and so I'm sticking to it as best I can. And this is really why one of my tips for you guys at the end of December was to diversify your portfolios. Had I had everything solely invested in BitConnect, I probably would not be in such a pleasant mood and would not have remained calm, because it's scary when you lose everything. But I took the time to take profits, to diversify my income into different platforms, whether it be DAVORCOIN, investing in ICOs like ZOUK coin. I have other ICOs I'm planning to invest in, investing in coins like LITECOIN, investing in altcoins. And even though all these markets are suffering right now because the cryptocurrency market is down, I'm still spread thin enough where I'm staying afloat and I'm not sinking because all my eggs were in one basket like BitConnect. So let this be a lesson. If all your eggs were in BitConnect, if you were solely investing in the BitConnect platform, let it be a lesson for you to learn to diversify this next year, guys. I had some great tip videos the end of December that I encourage you to go back and watch. I'll post that playlist at the end of this video just so you can hear my tips about holding, about taking profits, about learning to diversify your portfolio, about investing in different things like altcoins and ICOs. So I encourage you guys to do that. And again, I'm sorry for everyone's losses with BitConnect, guys, but we will pull through. We will still have a great 2018. I'm convinced that this will be a good year. My foundation is not on the cryptocurrency market though. When the winds rage, when the storm is all around us, my feet are on solid ground and I'm not shaken by finances. And the thing is to remember, guys, just a life lesson, a word of wisdom to you. Do not make your hope in life finances. Do not make your foundation in life the financial system. Don't make it money. I've said it before in other videos, greed and the power of money and the love of money is the downfall of mankind. But when you really set your foundation on a rock, on something higher, you will stay steady through the storms. So just a word of encourage you guys to find a solid foundation in your life that isn't financial, that isn't crypto, that isn't money. Keep a clear head, stay calm, and make smart, calculated decisions. Hold when necessary, take profits when necessary, and never, ever panic sell. All right, guys, let's go ahead and go over to our giveaway winner for the day. With the loss of money in BitConnect, I don't know how long I'll still be able to do giveaways, but for the time being, at least we'll see if something changes, if prices go up and it remains. If not, I may have to take a quick pause for a little bit. I'm sorry about that. I hope you guys will still come back for the content, but right now, keep posting. Right now, for the time being, I'm still giving away $10 of Litecoin every single day. All you have to do to enter to win is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below. All right, let's see who today's winner is. Yeah, just thank you again for all the support on the channel, guys. It's been such a blessing to have all the support on the channel, for all the comments, all the questions. A lot of people are saying they came for the giveaway and stayed for the content, and I hope in the future, giveaway or not, my daily video content and information will keep people coming back and will keep the channel growing. So today's winner is Sin Crypto. I absolutely love your intro tune, man. Great vid. Things will turn around. Amen to that. I believe things will turn around. Great words, Sin Crypto. I'm glad you liked my little intro video. I'm thinking of possibly branching out and doing something new here, but for the time being, I like it too. So thank you, Sin Crypto, for entering to win. Let's send you your Litecoin. Looks like your address checks out. Here's your $10 worth of Litecoin. Alright, man, your Litecoin is on its way. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Best of luck to you guys as we head into the future. I think I'm actually going to do a second video later today about a new ICO. That was my planned video for the day, so I'm probably still going to find time to fit that in. So stay tuned later today for possibly a second video coming out. And yeah guys, if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below. For the time being, my giveaways are still here. Alright guys, bless you. We'll see you tomorrow.